Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel with your host, me, Rona. Now, guys, y'all are probably like, Rona, sis, why do you look like that? Well, I don't really have a reason. I don't have a reason at all. Like, I look like, do y'all remember that meme? That video?
So had your kids, had your wife, had your kids, had your wife, had your kids, had your wife.
I look like that man. Oh my gosh. Basically, what had happened was I went to sleep with my bonnet on, woke up with my bonnet off, and this was a nightly cycle for the last 4 days. So my hair is looking pretty rough. I'm gonna just hop right into the video because this is already a mess. My part is crispy. Yup. Okay. Hey guys, so basically all I did was just part my hair. I parted it down the middle until it got like right here where my crown area is, and then I parted from one ear to the other ear. Okay, so right here is nothing special. I'm just taking a spray bottle that has warm water in it, and I'm just gonna wet my hair up. That way I can comb it out and all of that stuff. Guys, I have not combed my hair in like 2 weeks. Look how much hair came out of that section. Okay, so right here I'm just making my part, and I'll go more in depth about the parting later on. But after I section off my section, I'm just going to be taking my can tool. If y'all are, you know, original subscribers, then you already know that's really all I use on my hair. So I'm just taking that, mixing that with some water just to like thin it out a little bit, because for me it's just too thick, so I gotta thin it out. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So yeah. Okay, now right here I just wanted to give y'all a close-up on how my hair is looking, so you can clearly see where my hair is good and then it just is damaged. So I'm gonna cut all of that off later, like some months later, once my new growth grows out. But yeah, we're just braiding all the way down, and we're gonna do that for the entirety of my head. No, let me stop. Okay guys, so I just finished. Well, I didn't just finish, I've been finished, but I I finished, and then I just added these perm rods to the end of my braids, and I'm gonna just show y'all the braid pattern. Okay, so it's 4 right here in the front from that ear to ear, from that ear to ear part situation, and then I have 3 on my second row, and then I don't know how good the parts is, but then I have 2 here and then 2 there. So in total I have 11 braids. Yeah, it's a pretty odd number, I know, gross, but yeah. So basically what I'm gonna do is just tie my hair up and come back later. So okay, so the last time y'all see me was whenever I had those perm rods in my hair, and I said I'll be back tomorrow to take it down. It's been about 5 days. It has been a rough 5 days, y'all. This is what we're working with, okay? This is what we're working with. Now, y'all, if I was not a YouTuber, I would just let these braids sit in my hair, but I gotta get this video out for y'all. Got to. I just want to. Like, I feel like I have to. But you can't tell me this isn't a cute protective style now. Can't tell me it's not a cute, decent protective style.
Coronavirus!
It's bad. I already know it's bad. I don't got my glasses on, so I can't see how bad it is, but yep, it's worse than I thought it was. Now all I'm about to do is just take my extra virgin olive oil. Just gonna coat my fingertips and unravel these braids. So I finished taking down all of my braids. This is what my hair looks like. Let me just give y'all a little close up. This is basically what my hair is looking like right now. And we're just gonna flip. I really hope I'm still in the frame. I am. And just okay, y'all, so this is what my hair is looking like after I picked it out. It might look a little bit fuller. In my opinion, I feel like the back is laying a little bit flatter than it was. So yeah. But this is what it looks like, a whole 360. It's very, very pretty. It's very cute. It's giving me very, you purchased this hair look, and I like it. I like it. But no, let me stop playing. But that was the end of the video. If you enjoyed, give me a like, subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I will see you guys in my next one.